Frederick from EduFirst, and today we're going to look at the section on wood of IGCSE Cambridge Design and Technology. And today we're going to talk about manufactured boards. The advantage of using manufactured boards are that it comes in really quite a large size, and it is not prone to warping, knots, or splitting like natural logs because they are really processed to ensure uniformity, and is also designed for really specific purposes like marine plywood would be glued using some water resistant adhesive so they can be used in water without it dissolving or it coming off, so it can really be specialized into different sectors, and it is also generally a bit cheaper. So the most common one, or the one that is regarded as the highest quality, is usually blockboard. It has a central core of softwood strips that are bonded together with glue or adhesives, and they are usually covered with a sheet of plywood or some finishes like vegetable oil or some other veneers. And next we have chipboard, which is basically just chips of wood uh, pressurized together with resin to form sheets. It can be done using a press or clamps to clamp a wood veneer together if you want to do it yourself. And hardboard, it is a unique one because in IGCSE, I believe they give you black and white colored manufactured boards and tell you to identify them. So if you see one with one side rough and another side smooth, you know it is hardboard because it is made from wood fibers, and it creates an effect that is smooth on one side but rough on the other. And we have MDF, medium density fiberboard. It is made from wood dust plus resin compressed together. And we also have plywood, which is basically just veneers of wood or timber with layers glued together or shaped against the mold. It can really be flexible. And the two ways to shape wood is basically just steam bending or laminating. Steam bending basically just sets wood in a mold, and heated water vapor passes through it and softens the lignin, which deforms the wood, and therefore it takes the shape of the former. And we can also laminate it, which is basically using sort of timber, very thin sheets of it. Like you can think of wood veneers in plywood. You set them against a former to bend, and you add layers to it until you form a plywood layer that resembles the shape that you want it to be. So that is laminating, and the last thing you have to know is the FSC, the Forest Stewardship Council. It basically just ensures that timber is sourced legally and sustainably, and companies basically buy wood from FSC to enhance their brand reputation and also avoid controversies of ethical or illegal logging concerns about that. So they might achieve a better brand image so they can sell their manufactured logs or furniture for a bit more expensive.